Hello friends, I am Advocate Nitish Banka and today I am going to tell you about few things which you need to do for applying for a job or an internship during this time of pandemic, how you can go about it and what mistakes you are making in getting through those dream internship and everything. So the times are tough again, and the economy is right now is very poor. Maybe the last lockdown was better than the this one. So the kind of work which is available right now is no longer available from employer point of view, but that doesn't mean that you lose your hope and everything. It's maybe a 1 month or 2 month period which is a lean period, and after that the things will going to be on a good side and the things will going to pick up from there. So what I'm telling you is this, that what you need to do is, right, this time is a time to improve your skills, get those skills, get the skill set, and then you can be in a better position to apply for whatever jobs you wish to be employed. Now, through skill set, I mean, if you want to assist a lawyer, suppose you want to be an associate in a law firm. So, the kind of skills you need is like you need to be very good in drafting work, you need to be very good in the research work, and you need to be very good in reading documents. So, these three skills are very important for a fresh level associates, and you can use your this time to improve these three skills, because these three skills is what an employer is looking for. And you can always in your cover email say that I am a good drafting person, I can draft writ petitions, I can draft pils, I can draft the suits and anything which you may like. So you can put it in the CV and your cover letter. It leaves a very good impression. See, there is two mails. One is the mail that means that you are looking for a job, and another mail is that you have certain skill level and you have a skill to show to your employer that you are a good, you know a good drafting person, a good research person, and your previous employer has also recommended you, and you are fit for this job. So you have to showcase whatever your skills are and how you have demonstrated the skills which you have honed through the years. So I'm in the process of making a standard cover letter which you can use, and you should be using that. That video will come later, but today I'm telling you what you have to do basically to hone your skills, to hone everything, to be the person you want to be. Okay, so you have to tell your employer that you are the person who can do wonders in his firm. So this is the basic idea you have to keep. It's not like, oh, come on, please give me a job, please give me internship. That's not the way to approach the employers. And we get around 100 mails daily to like this copy paste content, that I am so and so, I am looking for a job, if you have any opportunity please reply to me. This is the standard mail you people send to every employer, 300 people, and then you say that you don't get a response from the employer. Even in this time of pandemic you can send all these mails, and later the employer, whenever the requirement arises, he may fire his current associate and hire you if you send mails like this. So you have to be a person who is of value and who knows how to deliver the value. You have to deliver value first and then ask for the thing. So delivering the value means that you have to tell that this is the skill I know, this is the skill I can do, and this is I have done in the past. My previous employer, my previous client has praised for this skill, me for this skill, and I can send you my sample drafts if you want. If you are good in drafting, you can send that. So you have to be like this, you have to work like this, you have to apply these skill set, so that you get an opportunity to work with that firm. So you will get that opportunity. You try this way. And you can also, message me on my LinkedIn. My LinkedIn profile is on, the description box. You can message me on the LinkedIn, that how your responses have improved if you try to send a mail in which you highlight your skills and everything, and you try this thing and you tell me how much you have gained, how much response you got when you send these type of mails, versus the mail which you are sending, which is of no use. You send it to 300 people, you will never get a response. You'll not get a job with that mail easily. So you have to, innovate yourself, because it's the time to innovate. It is not the old times where you just graduate and you get into a job. That time is gone, that time is history. That was a time which was 10 years back, or 14 years back. Now this is a skill economy. You have to develop new skills. You have to develop skills like, I have developed a skill of digital marketing. I know digital marketing. Being a lawyer, I know digital marketing. That's a different skill. I know this skill and it has helped me in my firm practice. YouTubing, I know. So, you have to gather these skill if you want to get more work, you want to get into more job is pretty much simple, but getting new clients is somewhat very difficult than getting a job. So for getting a job, you have to work on few skills, and you have to highlight what you are doing right now, how you are, that the skill set has helped your employer, the previous employer, how your clients got benefit, and how your work was appreciated. So these are the things you have to highlight to your prospective employers, so that he gets impressed with your this thing. I in 2014 I knew about this thing, blogging. So I highlighted this skill in every mail I sent, and the response rate was improved. I tried it myself back then in 2014, but this is now a must this time, because the work right now, the the situation right now. It's a very difficult time for the fresh graduate. I am saying this, so but I am here to help you. Just do it, and if you like this channel, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you very much.